Hello, Tom from Every Step Physics, EveryStepCalculus.com. A problem with regard to springs and how my programs are designed to do that, handle that type of problem. I've done a whole series on springs. They're pretty complicated in a lot of ways, or a number of ways. Most important thing is this stretch that they talk about with a horizontal spring. Stretch is really amplitude in a horizontal spring. In a vertical spring, because you have gravity when you have a mass hanging on it, there's a formula for finding the stretch that the mass causes because of hanging because of gravity. And then the next stretch would be the amplitude where it's beyond equilibrium. So let's do this problem here anyways. I don't usually like to teach physics. I like to show you how to do it. And with my programs, you can purchase these programs, of course, at my site, www.everystepphysics.com. $30, 350 programs that you download into your Titanium to answer your physics homework and tests, step by step, of course. So physics, to get to my main menu, and I'm going to go up so I get to the bottom of the alphabet there and get to springs. We got sprockets and strain and stress, all this stuff. Here's springs, okay. And because it's a horizontal spring, we're going to choose number 2. And we're going to choose what's given. What's given is mass, stretch, and K, the spring constant. So we're going to go down here for mass, look for K, and then X. There it is there. Choose enter. And we're going to enter our variables, which is mass. We have to press alpha first before we enter anything in these entry lines here. Alpha 0.56 is the mass. That's kilograms. Enter the spring constant, which is alpha 50 Newton meters, and we're going to enter the stretch, which is given as alpha 5.5. I have to go slow because of the simulator here. It doesn't mess up. And it's centimeters, so we're going to choose number 2, which I'll do the conversions for you. I always show you what you've entered. You can change it if you made a mistake. I say it's okay, and we do our calculations. I give you a lot more than what it's asking for here, which is the maximum speed, but so you don't have to write all these things down, but you have to have them to get the speed and the period, restoring force. All these things come up in different problems for the same potential energy. And here's the maximum velocity, which is 0.5197 meters per square. Notice it's the square root of 2 times the potential energy, which I've shown you before, etc., and we come up with these calculations here. Now we can, after we get through this, we can look at them again by pressing number 1 and go through it again. You can see that we have to find potential energy, and that's K, and then a stretch. Okay, so that's how they work. Go to my site, buy my programs, and pass physics. Have a good one.